Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and today I'll be showing you a really cool trick you can do with certain types of decks. So before we get started, I just want to tell you guys that you should definitely subscribe to my channel if you like card tricks and you want to learn cool card tricks to impress friends and family. Also turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I put out a video. So let's get started. So we're just gonna, first of all, shuffle the deck and show that there clearly is no set to the deck. Then I'm just going to have the spectator pick a card at random. Let's say they pick this card. This card is the King of Diamonds. So then we're just going to place the King of Diamonds back into the deck and get it lost in the deck. Alright, then we're going to spread the cards out. And you can see that through the cards, there's one different kind of card. That is the King of Diamonds. So this is a really cool trick, but it only you can only do it with one-way decks. So I mean decks that look different when you turn them over. Like, see, this deck looks the same this way, like looks one way, and then when you turn it over, it looks a completely different way. So that's the only thing. That's really the only requirement is the deck for this trick. And then, so you just have them pick a card. And then when they memorize the card, you just want to turn the pile over. So then when they go to put it in, they're just putting it in the other way. And then just shuffle, and then show, spread out, and then show that there's one different card. And that is their chosen card. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And also, guys, please let me know what kind of tricks you would like to see, because I want to hear from you guys. You guys are essentially watching my videos, so I want to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching.